Hello, students. On behalf of Jyoti PU College, I welcome you all. My name is Dr. Jyoti M. Olkar, Biology Department. At the outset, I would like to congratulate you for getting through SSLC exam successfully. Due to COVID-19 pandemic situation, online classes have been started. This is the first biology lecture in which we will get an idea regarding syllabus, that is, units, chapters, and marks weightage to each unit chapter. This year we have to study totally 5 units and 12 chapters under biology subject. The units, chapters, and weightage of each chapter is presented here. There are 5 units. The first one, diversity in the living world. Second, structural organization in plants and animals. Third, cell structure and function. Fourth, plant physiology. Fifth, human physiology. Totally 5 units are there. Under these 5 units, there are 12 chapters. Under the first unit, there are 4 chapters. Chapter number 1, the living world. Weightage of this chapter is 3 marks. Chapter number 2, biological classification, weightage 2 marks. Chapter number 3, plant kingdom, weightage 5 marks. Chapter number 4, animal kingdom, marks 7 marks. Totally, the weightage of this unit is 17 marks. Unit second, structural organization in plants and animals. Under this unit, there are 3 chapters. Chapter number 5, morphology of the flowering plants, 4 marks weightage. Chapter number 6, anatomy of the flowering plants, 4 marks. And chapter number 7, structural organization in animals, weightage is 7 marks. Total weightage of this unit is 15 marks. Unit third, cell structure and function. Under this unit, there are 3 chapters. Chapter number 8, cell, the unit of life, marks 8. Chapter number 9, biomolecules, weightage is 5 marks. Chapter number 10, cell cycle and cell division, weightage again 5 marks. So total weightage of this unit is 18 marks. Next unit, that is unit 4th, plant physiology. Under the plant physiology, chapter number 11, transport in plants, 6 marks. Chapter number 12, mineral nutrition, 6 marks. Chapter number 13, photosynthesis in higher plants, 5 marks. Chapter 14, respiration in plants, 5 marks. Chapter 15, plant growth and development, 5 marks. Total weightage is 27 marks. The last unit, that is unit 5, human physiology. Under this unit, the chapters are chapter number 16, digestion and absorption, 3 marks. Chapter number 17, breathing and exchange of gases, 3 marks. Chapter number 18, body fluids and circulation, 4 marks. Chapter number 19, excretory products and their elimination, 3 marks. Chapter number 20, locomotion and movement, 4 marks. Chapter 21, neural control and coordination, 5 marks. Chapter number 22, chemical coordination and integration. Total weightage of this unit is 28 marks. So totally 5 units, 22 chapters we have to study this year. Every week there will be 2 biology classes, that is on Monday and Friday. Portion will be covered by Amruta Sane madam and Vijayshri Chavan madam from biology department. Notes and PPT will be sent on the WhatsApp group. Write notes in a separate biology notebook which will be checked afterwards. Watch videos carefully. Always be prepared to face any situation in the life. Best of luck. Thank you.